Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Hangout. Children, in my previous video we learned chord, radius and diameter and problem set 28. If you want to check it out, link is given in description below. Children, can you see the circle which I have in my hand? Now here on the paper I am marking the center of the circle P. Now I will just fold the circular paper and make it half. Okay. Now you can see the line. This is a diameter of the circle. Then fold the paper at point P in such a way that point B will fall on point A. Okay. When you open it, you can see the diameter has cut into half. Yes, so here we got the segment PB and segment PA is the radius. Now suppose radius is 3 centimeter. Then what will be the diameter? It will be 3 plus 3. Is 6. So diameter will be 6 centimeter. So from this we can see that every radius of a circle is half the length of its diameter. Okay. So children, always remember 3 points. First, the diameter of the circle is the biggest chord. Second, all the diameter of a circle is of the same length. Third, the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. Okay. Now suppose if someone tells you to find out the radius and diameter, then what you will do? Don't worry children, I just wanted to give you the two formulas that how to find it radius and diameter. The formula to find out the diameter is diameter is equal to radius multiplied by 2. Second, the formula to find out the radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Now let's solve problem set 29 with the help of these formulas. Okay, so problem set 29. First question, if the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, what will its diameter be? Now here it is said that if the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter, then what will be the diameter of the circle? Okay, so your solution, we have to write the formula here, that is what they have told us to find out diameter. So we have to write the diameter formula, that is diameter is equal to radius multiplied by 2. So here radius is given that is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter multiplied by 2. So 5 2s are 10. So diameter is 10 centimeter. So write here 10 centimeter, and answer we have to write diameter is equal to 10 centimeter. Clear? Let's move to second question. If the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, what will its radius be? Now in this question, diameter is given and they have told us to find out the radius. Okay, so solution, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So therefore, diameter is given 6 centimeter. So write 6 centimeter divided by 2. So if you don't know how to do it directly, then here you can solve it in the rough column. 6 divided by 2. So in 2 table 6 is going? Yes. 2 3s are 6. So 3 right here and 6 we have to write down. So minus 0. So we will get the answer, that is 3 centimeter. So answer, radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Question number 3. Complete the following table by filling in the blanks. Here table is given of radius and diameter. Okay, so what they have told, where there is a blank, we have to complete or fill that blank, whether it is radius or diameter. Okay, so solution, we have to use the formula to find out the diameter and the radius. Okay, so in first, here radius is given, that is 4 centimeter, and diameter is not given, it is blank. Yes, so what we have to do to find out the diameter? We have to multiply by 2. Yes, so 4 2s are 8. So write here in the blank 8 centimeter. Second one, radius is not given but diameter is given. So here diameter is 16 centimeter. So to find out the radius, which formula we have to use? That is diameter divided by 2. So here 16 divided by 2, we will get the answer 8. So write here 8 centimeter. Then next is radius 9 centimeter and diameter is not given. So to find out the diameter, we have to multiply 2 with the radius. So 9 2s are 18. So here we have to write the answer 18 centimeter. Then last is diameter 22 centimeter is given and radius is not given. So here we have to do the half, that is 11 centimeter. Okay, that is we have to do the division, that is 22 divided by 2. So we will get the answer 11 centimeter. Clear, children? So children, I hope you must have understood the problem set 29. So keep practicing and learning. Till then, thank you and goodbye.